Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add border to photo on iPhone. So as you can see this, if you want to add borders to your photos on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, all you have to do is that simply open any photo. So guys, here I am opening this one, and now you have to simply tap on this pencil icon, and now you have to simply tap on plus icon from here, and then go to add shape and select any shape from here, and from here tap on this color icon, and now tap on this color icon again, and from here you have to simply lower the capacity of the colors. Here you can see this, and now you have to simply close it, and now you have to simply tap on this icon, and now you have to simply select the color of the border, and from here you can see this, the border has been added. You can increase it as well. So as you can see, you can easily increase and decrease the border on the photo. Here you can see this, and once you're here, and now you have to simply close it, and now you can drag it to any side. So as you can see this, you have to simply drag it, and with this you can easily add a border to your photo on your iPhone. So as you can see this, you can easily set it on your photo in iPhone. So guys, in this way you can also add borders to photos on iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.